Welcome to the second quiz on civil engineering. Let us see the first question. Which of the following does not fit with the rest? We have options A. Rain, B. Snow, C. Frost, and D. Sleet. The right option is frost because remaining three will fall from the sky where frost is formed on the near to the ground due to cold weather conditions. Let us see the next question. For growth of plants, the useful soil moisture is dash. We have options A. Rainwater, B. Gravity water, C. Capillary water, chemically treated water. The right option is capillary water. You can see in this image how the roots are absorbing the water and they are sending the water to the other parts of the trees due to capillary action. Let us see the third question. Corrosion resistance of a material is its dash. We have options A. Optical property, B. Chemical property, C. Thermal property, and D. Physical property. The right option is chemical property because the metal will react with other chemicals which are present in the atmosphere. So the rust will be attached to it, and this rusting process or corrosion will be accelerated by warm temperatures and acids, also salts. Let us see the next question. In chain surveying, the field work is limited to dash. We have options A. Linear measurement only, B. Both linear and angular measurement, C. Angular measurement only, D. Vertical measurement. We have the right option is linear measurement only because we can measure only the length using the chain. Let us see the next question. The correction for sag is dash. We have options A. Always additive, B. Always negative, C. Always zero, D. Sometimes additive, sometimes negative. The right option is always negative because sag refers to the downing of the chain. You can see the actual line and the sagged chain here. When you have to pull up the chain, you have to reduce the actual length measured by the chain. Then only it will meet the perfect line. So always negative. Let us see the sixth question. The carrier in case of distemper is, we have options A. linseed oil, B. white lead, C. poppy oil, D. water. The right option is water because this distemper is a water based paint. So we have to mix it up with the water and we have to apply the paint for the building component wherever is required. The seventh question. Queen post is suitable for spans up to dash. We have options 5 to 8 meters, B 12 meters, C 16 meter, D 24 meters. The right option is 12 meter. It is actually 8 to 12 meters. You can see the queen post truss in the figure. Eighth question. Dressing of the stone is done. We have options after seasoning, B after quarrying, C before use, D before seasoning. The right option is after quarrying. You can see quarrying is actually the process of surfacing and shaping of the rocks which are available naturally. And after seasoning is generally refers to we have to leave the stone to the atmosphere for few days so that the stone will be stronger. All the quarry sap, which is the moisture, will be evaporated completely and the stone will become strong and durable. When that sap moisture is present in the stone just after quarrying, it is very suitable, very workable. So that is the right time to do dressing for the stone. Then later we can leave it for seasoning and later we can use it for the construction. Let us see the next question. A structural member is generally designed so that the material is stressed to. We have options yield stress, B ultimate stress, C breaking stress, D working stress. Working stress because is the right answer because we are assuming that material is elongated only up to the elastic limit. So that is working stress is very near to that. So all the components are designed up to working stress. 10th question, last one. Low discharges are effectively measured by dash. We have options A. rectangular notches, B. stepped notches, C. Trapezoidal notches. D. Triangular notches. Right option is triangular notches because triangular notches require only one reading, which is H, head. For low discharges, they give very good head, very good accuracy compared to rectangular notches. So for low discharges, very suitable one is triangular notch. So that's all for today. We shall meet in the next quiz. Thanks for watching.